Exercise A. Fill in the blanks. Question number 1. All, in this blank space we need to write the correct word. All come from flowers. So what will develop from flowers? Fruits. So you can write all fruits come from flowers. So here the answer should be fruits. F-R-U-I-T-S. Second question. We need to write the right word in this blank space. Come from different parts of plants. So what is coming from different parts of plants? The answer is vegetables. So vegetables are developed from different parts of plants. So here the answer should be vegetables. V-E-G-E-T-A-B-L-E-S. Vegetables. Then third question. The, in this blank space we need to write the correct word, is an orange root. So what is an orange root? It is carrot. Carrot, C-A-R-R-O-T. Carrot is an orange root. You can have a look at here. Carrot. Carrot is an orange colored root. Orange color root. Remember, carrot is rich in vitamin A. It is very good for our eyes. Carrot. So carrot is an example for orange root. It is the root part of the carrot that we are eating. Fourth question. Peas and rajma are, we need to write the correct word here in the blank space that we can eat. From pea and rajma. Which part of pea and rajma we are eating? It is seeds. Seeds of pea and rajma that we can eat. You can see here seeds of pea and rajma. Here also it is seeds. Next, B. Look at the pictures of flowers, fruits and vegetables. Write their names in the correct columns. The columns are given here. Flowers, fruits, vegetables. So you need to write these. Okay. Question number 1. So what is this? This is rose flower. So it comes under flower column. Here I'll write 1. So that is its number 1. Then rose. R-O-S-E. All these activity, that is both A as well as B, you need to do in the textbook itself. You need to write in the textbook. Mark or write in the textbook. Remember, not in the notebook. So question number 1, that should be written here. Under flower it comes 1 rose. R-O-S-E. Now second one. Second one is cauliflower. Cauliflower actually comes under vegetables too. So here it is 2 cauliflower. C-A-U-L-I-F-L-O-W-E-R. Though it is a flower, it comes under vegetable here. It can be consumed as food. So that is why it is considered as vegetable here. Cauliflower. C-A-U-L-I-F-L-O-W-E-R. Second, cauliflower. Then third one. What is this? Grapes. So you'll write 3 here and you'll write grapes. G-R-A-P-E-S. So later I am going to forward the image of the answer written in this particular sheet to your WhatsApp group. Then fourth one. What is this? Potato. Potato is a vegetable. So it should be written here. 4 potato. P-O-T-A-T-O. Then sixth one is what? Banana. Banana comes under fruit. So it should be written here. 6 banana. B-A-N-A-N-A. Banana. Then seventh one is which flower it is? Daisy flower. D-A-I-S-Y. So that should be written here. 7 daisy flower. D-A-I-S-Y. Then 8th one is what? 8th one is marigold flower. Marigold is chendu. Okay, marigold flower. So here 8 you will write marigold. M-A-R-I-G-O-L-D. Marigold flower. The 9th one is what? Onion. So onion can be written here. 9th one. O-N-I-O-N. Onion. Okay. Then 5th one is strawberry. So that can be written here. S-T-R-A-W-B-E-R-R-Y. So these are fruits. So which are the flowers here? Rose, daisy flower, marigold. 3 are flowers. In these columns should be written. So fruits, one is grapes, strawberry, then banana. That should be written in this column. Then vegetables, cauliflower, potato, then onion. So that should be written here. C. Which one do you like the most? This question is personally asked to you. So you need to answer this. Okay? You can write the answer of your choice. Remember, not my choice. Like for example, now I am going to give the example also. Question number 1. The fruit I like the most is the. Which fruit you like, that you should write. There are many fruits. It can be banana, mango, strawberry, grape, orange, apple, jackfruit. Which fruit you like, that name you write here. Then second question. The vegetable I like the most is. Which vegetable you like, that you need to write in this blank space. It can be cabbage, cauliflower, beans, carrot, brinjal, any vegetable that you like. So that can be even spinach, that can be written here. Okay, so these two answers you should write your own. Remember, you can take your parents' help and it should be written in the textbook again. Even D also should be written in the textbook. Right? So this mark, that is the right mark for a true, then wrong mark for false in these boxes. Okay, first question. Mangoes are sweet. It is true. Mango is sweet. Usually fruits will be sweet. I told you earlier, because of carbohydrate. One group of nutrient, mainly glucose or fructose, which comes under carbohydrate. When it is present, usually they will be sweet. So here, right mark. Right mark. The image I am going to forward to the group. Then second question. The apple is a fruit. Okay, apple is a fruit. It is correct. So right mark. The cabbage is a flower. Cabbage is a flower. Okay, this answer is wrong because cabbage is made up of leaves. Cabbage contains leaves, not flower here. Okay, the cabbage as a vegetable, what we consume, it is made up of leaves. So wrong mark here. Wrong mark. Then we get tea from plants. That is true. We get tea from plants. So right mark. Higher order thinking skills. Name one fruit that we can cook and eat. So which fruit you can cook and eat? There are many fruits that can be cooked and it can be eaten, but commonly used one is banana. Banana can be cooked and it can be eaten. Especially there is one variety of banana which is called Nendra banana. So that usually they cook and eat because it will be a little hard. So they make it soft by cooking. And another fruit that can be cooked and eaten, it is jackfruit. With the jackfruit they make dishes with the juice of the jackfruit. So if they ask you name one fruit that we can cook and eat, you can write banana or jackfruit. So this answer for this question should be written in your notebook. I am going to forward the answer in the WhatsApp group. Then second question. Name one vegetable that can be eaten raw. There are many vegetables that can be eaten raw. Still, a commonly used one, let me mention, carrot. Carrot can be eaten raw. But when you eat raw, you need to wash it well. Okay, before eating any fruits or vegetables, it should be washed well. Then one more, you can give the example of cucumber also. Cucumber also can be eaten raw. Life skills. Your teacher will take you on a trip to the nearest market. We can do this only when the school starts. Find out the names of the vegetables and fruits available there in the market. Also ask for the price. So this activity we'll do when the school starts. Draw your favorite fruit or vegetable in your notebook. This you need to draw in your notebook. Your favorite fruit or vegetable. So this work should be done by you. In the notebook you can draw your favorite fruit or vegetable.